Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about the hanging man candlestick pattern. Now this candlestick pattern is a bearish one. That means whenever you encounter a hanging man, the price action is going to go lower, right? So that's why it's a bearish pattern. Let's look how it looks. So it looks more of a same as a hammer. So if you have check out my previous video, so in a hammer candlestick pattern you have a handle stick and then you have the metallic body of the hammer, right? For the hammer candlestick pattern, the color of the metallic body is green. That means which indicate that the price action is going to go higher. It's a bullish candlestick pattern. But you keep the diagram, the structure of the candlestick the same, and instead of green color, if it's a red color, then it says a hanging man. You can see a man. So this is the man, and you can say the upper body or the neck, and the stick act as a body, and like it's looking like he's hanging in the air, like it's a suicidal candlestick pattern. We can say that because after that it indicates that the price is going to go lower. So it's a suicidal candlestick pattern, guys. If you have a position in place and you encounter this candlestick pattern, just exit your trade then and there. It's good for you then. So basic rules for that, the rules remains the same as that of hammer pattern, which are let's say I draw it here. So my shadow, which is this part, so my shadow should be greater than or equal to twice of the body. The first rule of that. The second rule of that is there should not be any shadow on the top of it. There should not be any shadow, guys, right? So these are the two common pattern, two common rules you have to follow. Don't amend these rules. If you stick to the rules what have been lay over for the past 200 years, then sure you gonna make a good profits. Let's stick by to your rules. So let's analyze this three scenario. If my price action is going upside and I encountered a hanging man, then what happens is my price go lower. My price is neutral, its market is going sideways. Encountered a hammer, price is going to go lower. Price is going lower, right? Let's make it more steeper. So price is going lower, encountered a hammer, the same lower trend it's going to continue, right? So that's the three scenario we have. Let's understand by looking at an example on an historic candlestick chart. So can we look at it? Yeah, I see a pattern, guys. Let me zoom it. Okay, so see this, guys. So this one is a hammer, sorry, it's a hanging man, red in color, that has a body, that has a tail, there's no upper shadow in it, and the lower shadow or a tail is greater than the twice of a body. That's qualify all my rules that has been set out, right? So what happens if I encounter this? Previously the trend was upward, right? I encounter this, you see the trend goes lower, right? So if you find this thing, go and invest your money. If you are selling it, or if you are an option trader, go and there are different strategies to trade. Go and buy a put for it, and you will earn a good amount of income, right? I also want to show one more thing. This candlestick pattern, which is this one. I'll just draw this, right? The inner one, you can say there's a downward trend. The trend was somewhat upward, but after that there's a downward trend. So does this qualify a hanging man for me? No guys, this doesn't qualify hanging man for me. Let's analyze why it doesn't qualify. There's a shadow below the body which is twice the body itself, which is first of the rules which qualifies. But what not qualifies is there is a shadow on the upper side of the body, like, so it doesn't qualify for me. Then why did the market go downwards? The market, if you look closer, the market didn't go downwards because of this candlestick. Previously there were two red candlestick, right? So seller had were gaining attraction into it, so that's why the market went below. So guys, don't bend your rules by seeing any of the similar kind of pattern and analyzing, okay, it's going downward. Just analyze it, why was it going downwards, make sure of that, and after that decide your rules, what rules you are going to trade it, right? So I hope guys this has give you a lot of insight about uh, this suicide candlestick pattern, or a hanging man candlestick pattern. uh, if you like my videos, please press a like button. Do post a comment if you have any queries or suggestions, or you want me to make a video on a particular topic. uh, please subscribe my channel for the upcoming video tutorials. See you guys in the other video. Thank you.